Here is how to use Grok AI Assistant step by step. First, you need to access Grok, which is integrated into X, formerly Twitter. To use it, sign into your X account and make sure you have access to Grok through an eligible plan or region. Once enabled, you'll see the Grok icon or chat option inside the X interface. Next, open Grok and start typing your question or request. You can ask Grok to explain topics, summarize posts, answer questions, generate ideas, or help with coding and research. Grok is designed to be more conversational and context aware, so you can ask follow up questions naturally without restarting the chat. One of Grok's strengths is real-time awareness. Unlike traditional AI assistants, Grok can reference current events and trending topics on X, making it useful for news analysis, social media insights, and trend tracking. You can also paste tweets or links and ask Grok to explain, summarize, or analyze them. For best results, be clear and specific with your prompt. Instead of vague questions, tell Grok exactly what you want, such as summaries, step-by-step explanations, or comparisons. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.